Hi, I'm Luciana, and what I'm going to show you is how you can make little tiny objects on a small pattern. This is the right size, and as you can see, she tried several and she didn't come up with a good result. I will try to help, and I made this, and what I did was I put Trivio on. I did nothing else but make the shape with digitize close shape, fill and tatami. If I click on it, you can see it's the pattern number 1. And I'm going to make the eyes and the mouth. And what I used is digitize blocks over here. And digitize blocks is no more than clicking up and down like this. Left mouse click, right, 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 right. So you see, up and down, like some kind of zigzag. Enter. So I will delete that one, and I'm going to make the eyes. I will make it a little bit bigger, digitize blocks, fill, black, and I will use a satin. Now, when I put Trivio on, you can see that the lines of the design are like this. If I put a click on it and reshape, you see it's horizontal. And I will make the eyes vertical, because if I make them horizontal also, then it will disappear in the green background. So I make it big. Motive stamp, no, cancel. Digitize blocks, fill, satin, and the color black. And I will start here with the eyes. And these are left mouse clicks. Now I will make right mouse clicks for small curved objects. You can always change it later. And then with the last stitch I will enter. I select that one, left mouse click, and I drag it over here. And I will mirror that one horizontal, so it will be the same as the one on the left. Again, digitize blocks, fill, tatami, and I will color red. And we're going to make the shape of the mouth. Also, I'm going to show you how you can change that, and enter. So this is it. I will put Trivio on, and here we are. So this is the first design. If you want to change the shape of the eye, then select it and click on reshape. And here you can adjust your, how you call it, your notes. And you can do the same here. If I click here on the edge, no, it will not. So I'm going to select it first and reshape. And change that also a little bit. Select any shape of the mouth, reshape, like that. So this is one. And what I did next, this is the basic. This is the first one like this. So I can remove that one, delete that one. Also I can delete that one, I don't need it anymore. So I made a hoop. Over here I put on the hoop, 10 by 10 centimeters, and you can put it in metric or you can put it in centimeters. Is this centimeters or is it inches? This is inches. So let me put it on metric. I only see this part if nothing is selected. If I select one part, it's gone. So what did I do? I made this one basic, and I changed some settings over here, and I'm going to click on it, and now you can see here under object properties. Let me show first this one. The spacing is 0.4, and I will put it in US because she made it in inches. So click on it, and you see the spacing is this, and here I put the spacing the same, but what I changed was the pattern. I used number 6. Here I use number 1, pattern number 1, and here I use pattern number 6. Nothing else. The rest is the same. Over here I used number 6, but I changed the spacing and the length, because look, if I click here, the spacing is 16, the length is this, and if I click on this one, the space is 14 spacing and the length is 0.13. Further I changed nothing, only the spacing, the length, and I used number 6. This one is spacing 14, length 130, but what I did was I changed this from auto spacing to manual spacing. Look, if I click on this eye, it's auto spacing, and this one also. And here I changed this from 14 to 12. So it's a little closer together. Over here I used again number 6, but I changed the eyes in a backstitch. Now if I go to reshape, you have 2 lines, because it was first digitized blocks, and I make it, look, it was a little bit like this, but what I did was I go to reshape and I close it a little bit so it's closer together. That's all I did. I did it with this, that, and the mouth. Over here I used just one time backstitch, so I removed this one, this eye and that eye, and I made just one backstitch. Over here the same, and over there also the same. This, select it again, this is the same settings as before. Over here the same, but I used single run, triple run, I'm sorry, triple run. And then here I used pattern number 16. I left that one on 14 and the length on 14 as well, but I changed, if I click on reshape, I changed the direction, stitch direction. Look, this is the one above, because what happened, if you have the stitches in this direction horizontal and you do the eyes a little direction horizontal, it disappears. So here I changed the stitch angle, and I used the same settings as this one. Here also just change the direction and the rest is the same. The eyes, the mouth are the same, and here also, and this one also. If you want to do more, then select the last one, right mouse click and drag it over here, and drag that one so you get more, and you can change them how much you want. For example, if I click on this one and I say, well, let me try pattern number 44, and I use the same or maybe even less, 12 and 120. Enter. And so you can play and see which one you prefer. I test them all, and I think those two are my favorite. And I will show you the picture. So here is the picture, if you can see. And it's very close. So I have another picture. This is picture number 2. The hoop is 10 by 10, so you can see how small the faces are. And this is the last one. Here you can see the material. It was not a very fine material, but I just used it as a test. So this is, I think, how you can do it. I hope it will help you. So good luck.